Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna give you the answer to this question, that is, can you view all Blink cameras at once? So in order to find the answer to this question, I came across this Reddit message in which this person has asked the same question, and in response to it, some of the people have answered that no, you cannot actually do it. Blink cameras aren't really designed for live viewing. It kills the battery life, which is the number one reason to have blink. So I know other camera systems that can do this, like Waze being one. I had Waze cams long before I got blink cams, and I still have them sprinkled around the house for when I am out of town. So basically you cannot actually do it. After that, I have also came across this Amazon forum in which the answer was like this: thank you for your inquiry about viewing the live view of the multiple blink cameras on the blink app's home screen at the same time. I'm sorry for any confusion surrounding this, and I'm happy to help. So at this moment, you can only view one camera at a time from a specific device. You can, however, view two different cameras from two different devices at the same time. If two people try to view the same cameras at the same time, one person will receive a camera is busy message. So it gives the answer to our question, that is, you cannot actually do it as of right now. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.